Hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung ginagawa ko dito and paano napasama yung isang self-proclaimed gamer sa ganitong game launch event. But first, let me introduce this game. This is the Lord 9 Infinite class. Basically, it's an MMORPG game with a strategic combat system. Syempre, during event, meron silang pag-game test. And hindi tayo nagpahuli dyan. And ang napansin ko dito, maganda yung game actually. Sa character and avatar mo, pwede mo siyang i-customize. Sa buhok, sa damit, sa mata, sa kulay. And actually, pwede mo nga siyang gawing kamukha mo eh. And pwede ka rin makapamili sa 9 weapons na ilalapag nila. Pwede ka rin makapamili ng class type mo. Pwede ka mag-mage, fighter, with bow and arrow na parang marksman and whatnot. And ang kagandahan dito na upgrade din yung mga weapons na nakukuha mo during the game. And of course, may iba't ibang ability ka din dito. And hindi siya usual na MMORPG game kasi high graphics to. Like, wala akong masasabi sa graphics niya. And ang maganda pa dito, available siya sa PC and mobile gaming. For me, it's a great game to play. So here's some of your favorite gamers and streamers. And hindi rin natin pinalagpas na tanungin sila about the game.
What's your name po? Hi, my name is Jemmy.
Chris. My name is Colette Sayo.
Hi, I'm Bunny.
My name is Kiefer and I'm from Busu Gamers.
Hi, I'm Trisha, also known as Nuts About Gaming.
What's your class type in this game? For Lord 9 Infinite class, I think I will go for support type for utility classes.
Whenever I play MMORPGs, I always go for the mage or like a support or something.
Kanina yung nagamit ko is parang naka-bow siya tapos naka-sword.
Siguro fighter or marksman, something.
I think fighter, parang ganun. Yeah.
And how's the game so far? The game so far for me, pretty decent and maganda from character creation. Have a lot of options, tapos ang ganda rin ng customization part. A lot of avatars that you can pull. So, dun pa lang, sobrang eye-candy na.
So far, it's good.
So far, the system is actually nice.
It's good. Lalo na yung graphics. I really like the detailed characters.
So far, it was pretty good. I was playing in the trial zone for like 30 minutes. So it's pretty fun and I'm enjoying it.
Mare-recommend nyo ba yung game na to for our viewers?
Yeah, guys, if you're definitely into MMORPGs and all the different classes and types, definitely try out Lord 9.
Yeah, absolutely. So, kung di nyo pa alam guys, the game is called Lord 9 Infinite Class. Download nyo lang sa video na to. Ganda, kita-kits!